Yeah. Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
I'm back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a I don't care.
What the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. Know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug and the wire.
Well, hello, and welcome back to My Indigo Mind. This is your host, Tashana, and baby, I got some tea. So let's go on now and spill her. Let's get right into this video. Whew. Well, darling, today we are going to be talking about Quinn's life, okay? And all of her wonderments. So let's get right into this video. Ew. So, darling, let's talk about it. Have the tables turned for you, Gwendolyn. Look at that. Didn't I tell everybody that this woman was living on welfare? That there is no way her husband was able to take care of everything. Washing cars? Huh? Stop it. Y'all knew damn well that this woman was living above her means in her head. Okay? So let's talk about it. Whew, a couple of hours ago, I was laid up, penny, chilling, relaxing. I took yesterday off of YouTube. I decided, not to log in yesterday. So basically, one of my loves, Maladonna, sent me an email, and honey, thank you, boo. So you probably already know that he put her on blast, okay? Now let's talk about it. How the tables have turned. First and foremost, sis deleted her page. Well, it's still there. She's still, she can still upload, but she pulled all the videos. Now, that looks suspicious to me, honey. Now, if you was being faithful, now mind you, if you caught it, and you look at the dates in the messages, Craig said she's been cheating since they've been married. Matthew, for those who don't know, said she has been cheating on him since they got married. Okay, so either you're talking about the whole relationship, because from what Quinn says, y'all been married this whole time, or you're talking about recently. And if that's the case, then we knew that. Talking about officiate. Girl, you knew damn well. Like, no lie to you, I feel sorry for those babies to have had to go through that. You tore that house up, Quinn. Both of y'all. Like, that trailer wasn't already enough in shambles. There was holes here, blood here, stuff tossed up here. You gotta be kidding me. I knew it was gonna come to a head again. See, I was the first to tell you that I have forgotten a crazy streak. Yeah, I was the first to tell you that this heifer was living beyond her means. I was the first to tell you that everything that she shows you, or everything that she tries to get you to believe that it's her life, is not her life. And see, this is when you get found out. This is when you talk all that shit, when you do everything you do to people, when you have the audacity to sit up and talk about people's children. Queen Lena, I think her name is. The way you talk about her and your situation is a hot, heated ass ghetto mess. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Because your whole situation is a mess. Baby, let me tell y'all, right? From the beginning, when I said I was on that neck, I said eventually something's going to come to me, honey, and it's going to almost destroy you. And I have to be sure that it's something that I want to release. At the end of the day, your man did it. So me releasing it now, you know, I can't believe you, Gwendolyn. Why would you cheat on Matthew like that? He trying. And then you had the nerve to be here. Girl, don't make no sense. These women, honey. These women, baby, is a mess. A hot, heated mess, honey. How you think that man gonna want to stay around and deal with you and your shenanigans after you putting your fucking hands on him? Where they do that at? This girl is a special case, you guys. Honey. Like, I got to my business. But baby, stay tuned for these good old receipts. And let me know what you think about this down in the comments, honey. And don't forget to drop those purple hearts so I know it's real. Please, please, honey. Like I said, tell me what you think about this down in the comments. But I got to go, okay? So, later for Neo. Bye.
They've broken an Xbox One. They've broken her laptop. You see all these marker drawings on the wall? You see this? Quinn's life does not watch the kids. She does not watch the kids. Look, you see this? All these crayon markers all over, everywhere. Hold on, let's go down the hallway. Look, bam. Bam. Hold on, bam. Because you know why? She's sorry. And she's not a good parent. Because she sits there and talks all highly about herself. She's talking about how she ain't getting passed around like all these other hoes. But you know what? She is that hoe. You know what Konisha does? She can't do anything productive unless it's coming off of welfare checks and child support. That's the only time Konisha is about her money. Like she said yesterday, she about her money. What, you're about that government welfare, dumbass.
Yeah. Talking to my mirror like I love you so much. Curving on my critics like I heard you, so what? You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. Tally all the I ever gave on my head. Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a that's what they don't understand.
Back again like flu season, I broke records while loose leafing. I'm coming down my roof, leaving, don't give a I don't care.
What the fuck is it gonna take to get rid of this bitch? You can't get rid of me, bitch.
Back and forth with no broke ass bitch. And that song that you like, I probably wrote that shit. You know that's it. More fire, hot like Naya. Whole lot of juice, I'm the plug in the wire.